On today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix one of the most annoying bugs I've ever seen on a Mac. Well, hi everyone, and welcome to Pal to Tech. Chances are, if you've updated your Mac's operating system to the new Ventura, especially the latest version 13.2, you may have noticed a number of bugs on it, and that it doesn't run very smoothly, and that it doesn't just work. I think it's riddled with bugs, and one of the most annoying of them are these constant pop-up notification messages telling you that new background items have just been added. You see them just ding, 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 ding constantly appear in the upper right corner of your screen, and you click them to make them go away, and a few minutes later or the next day they reappear again constantly. So at first we thought, okay, the easy fix for this is to go into your settings, into general, and then into login items, and then simply untick the login item of the choice that is appearing in the window, the problematic login item, to just, untick that, and that would make it go away. And for those of you that don't know, this section in Ventura is basically where you tell your Mac what programs you want running at all times in the background. And you certainly don't need a lot of them constantly running and checking for software updates and all that nonsense. For example, I have that Adobe stuff disabled. I've got Spotify disabled, and definitely Google disabled. Now, some of them are necessary to run in the background, but not all of them, and obviously your case would be different. I tend to take the approach, I want less stuff running in the background of the computer so the computer can better concentrate on the work that I'm doing, and I'm not interrupted all the time with notifications. So once we realized that this didn't work, unticking these and hoping those annoying messages would go away, the next fix involved going into Finder. Basically opening up a Finder window and then going go to folder, and navigating to your library launch agents. You see that right here? So you can type in the little squiggly line /library/launch agents, press return, and that'll take you to the section in your Mac where you can delete those launch agent entries. And when you try and delete the ones that are problematic, guess what? That doesn't work either. Well, in constantly researching for a fix to this problem, I stumbled across a solution that so far has worked wonderfully. It involves going into your terminal window though. So be advised, your terminal is an area on your Mac where you can make very high-level changes to the operating system. It's great when you want to fix problems. It's not so great if you mess up, screw something up, because you could wreck your Mac. You need to be very careful in the terminal. You have been warned, and you are responsible for any damage you may cause to your computer using terminal. I just want to put that out there. Nevertheless, here is what you do in terminal now to fix this notification problem. Press Command Spacebar and start typing in terminal. oh, there it is right there. Press return. And that will open up your terminal window right here. Next, you're going to need to copy a command. It's one line of code, and I will have it listed in the description below. Have a look down below the description of this video. You'll see it there. Scroll across it, copy it, and then go to your terminal window now and paste it into your terminal window. It's basically two words that really don't make any sense, but just go with me on this one. Once you've pasted it into your terminal window, press return. You could also type it in your terminal window, but if you do that, make sure you type it exactly as you see it here. Next, your Mac is going to ask you to put in your password. That's the password you use to access your Mac. And as soon as you're done doing that, you're finished. The terminal screen doesn't look that interesting, but you've made a very important change. Now, the next thing you need to do is to restart your Mac. Go ahead and do that now. As soon as your Mac restarts and comes back, those annoying pop-up notification background task messages should be gone. And just so you know, that command that you typed into terminal, that's used by Apple developers and administrators to reset your login and background item data. And just to be clear, it may not work for everyone. You may find that you still see those annoying messages appear. And if so, I'm sorry about that. I hope Apple releases a fix for this and many other bugs that are riddled in Ventura. However, right now, what I've noticed, this is the best shot you've got at fixing the problem and making them go away. And I really hope it works out for you. Well, in the meantime, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you found the video helpful or at least entertaining. And if you did, be sure to give it the like and subscribe. I will see you again in a new video very soon. Take care.